online lecture sessions 2020. Already we have started one lesson, the match. We have completed the same. I hope you must have written all the questions answers of the same. And today we are going to see one more topic in the same lesson, that is grammar topic, simple present tense. Okay, so it is very important to know how to use simple present tense. So in this particular lesson we are going to see the basic rules of simple present tense and its usage. Okay, let's start. You can see here the formula of simple present tense, how to make sentences of simple present tense. There are two things. First one is subject plus v1 means verbs first form plus s or es. When you are using the basic form of the verb, at that time to the verb you are supposed to use s or es form. And last, it is an object which is important, and this is applicable for singular subjects. Okay, here when subject is a singular, that time this formula is or can be used. Okay, next rule number 2, when plural subjects are there, when subject is plural, at that time only v1, we are not supposed to use s or es suffix, we are not supposed to use yes or es suffix, and at the end there would be an object. Okay, just see here the first example, child, which is a singular noun, so subject is a singular, hence to the verb we have added this s, to the verb we have added this s, and the sentence is child plays. And the same sentence when we use plural form of the subject, here children. Okay, children means many, so at that time verb form or the verb remains singular, we don't use any plural form like s or es suffix, we don't add. Play, play, and here plays, correct? I hope you must have understood this. This rule is applicable in case of singular subject, this rule is applicable in case of plural subject. Very nice. So let's take few more rules regarding the same, and we are checking the same from our content book. So in your book these rules are there. Simple present tense, its usage means where we can use it. We use the simple present tense for an action that is universally true in general, which is true, like there are few things which happens daily. Okay, they are like universal truth. A routine like sunrise, sunset, these things are a routine things, and they are universal truth as well. Like in America also there is sunrise and sunset, so here also in India. Or any habit, like I drink a coffee in the morning. Okay, I drink a coffee in the morning, so it's like my habit. So you can see here they have given some sentences. These are actually the rules regarding simple present tense. Let's take the first one. A. The earth revolves around the sun. Okay, we know revolution means what? Okay, just moving around. Earth revolves around the sun. It is a fact true in general. Okay, true in general. And that's why we have used here simple present tense. The same fact is in India, it is in America also, the same thing is there. Just go to any other country, you will get the same fact. Okay, we can't change it. Second, our school begins at 7 in the morning, which is something repeated daily. It's a routine. Okay, our school begins at 7 in the morning. It's a routine activity, correct? And hence we can use simple present tense here as well. Last, which is all about a habit. Mahira drinks coffee without sugar. Means whenever she drinks coffee, she drinks it without sugar. That's why as Mahira is a singular noun or a subject, hence with Here verb we have added s suffix. Okay, suffix means the letters which we add at the end of any word. Okay, they are known as suffix. They are known as suffix. Correct? Good. Now just check the formation. We add the suffix s or es to the base form of the verb. Base means the basic form of the verb. Okay, when used with singular nouns and he, she, it. With he, she, it also we are supposed to use s and es to the given verb. Like you can see here, she is, they have given here she, it they have given he, and any singular noun. She dances, the verb is dance, but since the subject is singular, we added s. She dances in the rain. Second, it looks good on you. B. It looks good on you. Here, look is a verb. We have added s because our subject is it, a singular subject. Next one is Rajiv. Rajiv is a singular or plural? Yes, it is a plural noun. Oh, plural noun? No, no, no. Just see here, Rajiv, like Rohit. So how many Rohits are there? Rohit, only one. We can't say Rohits. Okay, it's a singular noun or a subject. So it is a singular subject. And here love verb is there. Since the subject is singular, here we have added s to the same, and we got this sentence: Rajiv loves to read. Correct? I hope you are getting it very easily. It's very easy, and you need to understand the same. It is really very very important to have good knowledge of all these tenses, so that we can write any essay, letter, passage, email without any mistake. Here we use words such as always, never, often, usually, and sometimes with the simple present tense. Okay, now usage, how it is used. Present continuous tense. Present continuous means something which is still going on or happening right now, which is happening, not stopped. Like I'm writing a letter, I'm dancing, I'm speaking, I'm playing. So we use ing verb here. So let's check. We use the present continuous tense for an action that started in the past and is still continuing. Like formation, we form the present continuous tense by placing the helping verbs am, is, are in front of the ing form of the verb. And here we need to do one thing, like whenever we are writing, we use one helping verb, that is am. After am, whatever verb you are going to use, it is going to be an ing verb. Okay, like writing, fighting, waiting, cheating, meeting, testing, okay, setting, okay, making. All these you can use here. Like with he, she, and it, we are supposed to use is. When the plural forms are there, plural pronouns are there, you, we, they, we are supposed to use are. Okay, with you, we, they, we are supposed to use are. Let's see with the help of some examples where to use is. She is dancing in her room. Suppose we are using here, he is dancing in her room, in his room. Okay, it is dancing in his room, like that it can be. Okay, so with he, she, and it, we are supposed to use is. Correct? Next, like when plural form is there, we are supposed to use are. They are doing their work. They are doing their work. Correct? Next, I'm working on my science project. I am working on my science project. So here am we have used. So with work, we, as we have started present continuous tense, we can see I'm working on my science project. We use words and phrases such as at the moment, today, these days, and nowadays to express present continuous tense. Correct? We use such phrases or words. Let's check quickly some of the facts. Okay, I'm hearing the bell. No, I hear the bell. Verbs that describe the senses such as feel, hear, see, smell, taste, and touch are used in simple present tense. They are used in simple present tense and not in present continuous tense. Correct? So whatever senses are there, feel, hear, see, smell. Okay. So that you have to write in simple present tense only. Just check whether you have understood or not. I'm seeing the bird. I'm seeing the bird. I see a tower. Okay. He feels the cold. Which one is correct and which one is wrong? Okay. I see a tower. Which is correct? He feels the cold. Okay. He feels the cold. He feels. Okay. So it's correct and I'm seeing the bird. I see the bird. It should have been like this. So first one is a wrong one. Let's take few examples. I'm not going to tell you each and every example's answer. I'm just going to tell you few answers. Remaining question answers you have to complete in your notebook and you have to send it to me as well. Good? Okay. Then just see these sentences carefully. Identify the tenses in the sentences as simple present or present continuous tense. You have to identify the type of sentence, whether it is a present continuous example or simple present tense example. The dog is sleeping under the tree. Ing is there, so simply it is nothing but present continuous. Okay, it is an example of present continuous. She does yoga every day. Does. Es is there. Does. Okay, she does. So this is simple present tense. Understood? Yes or no? Yes, very nice. Let's take the second set of the question. Use the simple present form of the verbs in brackets to fill in the blanks. Use the simple present form of the verbs in the brackets to fill in the blanks. Here we are supposed to use simple present tense. Maria dash speaks 4 languages. Here speak singular, subject is there, so we have to add s or es. Speaks, it is speaks, correct? We'll just add s and we'll write here speaks 4 languages. Second, the library dash at 5 in the evening. The library, it is also singular, so now you have to decide what to use and what not to use. Correct? I hope you have understood all the rules. Yes or no? Yes. Very nice. Very good. Let's take few more examples. Use the present continuous. Here you are supposed to use present continuous form of the verbs in bracket. In here bracket they have given go. We have to use their continuous form. I dash to work with my friend in his car. I'm going to work. Okay, I'm going to work because we are supposed to use helping verb also. So with I, we can use am. Correct? So like that only complete B, C, D and E. Correct guys? Very nice. Fourth one. Write your own answers to the questions. What is your sister doing? These are your personal response type. The answers are up to you. They have not given anywhere in the textbook. These are personal response type questions. So answer is going to also a personal answer. Okay, so read them and write correct question answer. Okay, very nice. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Here you are supposed to use correct form. It might be a present continuous or maybe present simple present tense. Okay, two choices are there. My mother dash watch the news every day. My mother watches news every day. Correct? It's a regular habit. Could you please turn the volume down? I am dash my work. So here, could you please, there is a request and something is happening now. So do changes to doing. I'm doing my work. Okay, means I'm getting disturbed because of that volume. So could you please turn the volume down? Means to make less volume. Okay, to just turn it to the lesser. So this is what you have to complete from fifth. Sixth, use the following verbs to make sentences in the simple present and the present continuous tense. They have given some verbs. By using these verbs, you have to make one simple present tense and present continuous sentence. Correct? So you have to make these. Thank you. Next, seventh one. Cross out the incorrect use of tenses. You have to just cross out, cancel it. Which one is incorrect? Rohit is in office. He is talking to somebody. He talks to somebody, which is wrong. He is talking at present, something is happening. For that we use present continuous form. Correct? Very nice. So like that only you have to just cut one which is not the correct one. Okay, they have given two options over here in every sentence. Okay, so you have to just cut it off the which is not the correct one. Okay, or the simple incorrect sentence you have to just cut. Eighth one, make sentences with the following using the present continuous tense. The first one is done as an example. Okay, you have to just make present continuous sentences. I'm cleaning the room with my mother. Okay, the sun shine. You have to make your own sentence here with the help of these verbs. Okay, and you have to use present continuous form. Like here, I clean room. I'm cleaning the room with my mother. Okay, so like that. You can write the sun is shining very brightly. The sun is shining very brightly. Like that. It's up to you. Write your own sentence. Use your own imagination. Okay, very nice. So you have to complete B, C, D, E. Next one, ninth one. Write sentences about yourself using always, never, often, usually, and sometimes. The first one is done as an example. Wake up before 7 a.m. I never wake up before 7 a.m. So you have to write sentences about yourself. Okay, by using always, never, often, usually, and sometimes. Correct? Like in first sentence, wake up before 7 a.m. So simply, I never wake up before 7 a.m. Or you can write, I wake up before 7 a.m. I daily. Okay, I usually wake up before 7 a.m. Like that you can write. So you have to complete the sentences or the remaining sentences in similar manner. Next one, which is the 10th one. Next one, which is the 10th one. Unscramble the sentences and use the right punctuation. You have to just unscramble. You have to make one perfect sentence by using all these words. Is working Parul today. Parul is working today. Parul is working today. Like that, the correct sentence is. So in similar manner, you have to complete B, C, D, E. Yes. If you have not understood anything, please call me or send me a WhatsApp message. Next, 11th and 12th one, last question sets. Choose one of the following situations and write a conversation between two people using simple tense and present continuous tense. You have to choose any one sentence. A dialogue between a mother and her son daughter. A dialogue between two friends who happen to meet in a market. A dialogue between a teacher and student. Okay, so you have to just use any one and you have to write a dialogue in which you are going to use simple present tense sentences as well as present continuous also. Last, 12. Write a paragraph to describe one of the following scenes. Your classroom when teacher is teaching. Okay, you have to just explain. You have to just describe how your classroom looks when a teacher is teaching? What happens during that time? Your playground during sports period, a scene at a hospital. Okay, but do remember to begin the paragraph with topic sentence that tells the main idea of the paragraph. So you have to write about a topic sentence, okay, which tells about the main idea of the paragraph. It is about the overall feeling of the scene. Add sensory details to the body of the paragraph that includes details of what you can hear, smell, touch, see, and feel. End the paragraph with a concluding sentence. You have to conclude with a sentence, that concluding sentence. So use simple present and present continuous tense in your paragraph. So students, thank you so much for watching this video so patiently. And if there is any problem, query or doubt, please let me know. You can call me at any time. Okay, so please stay safe, stay at home, enjoy, and keep smiling. Thank you so much.